The world in terms of technological advances is changing rapidly. We are entering a new age of blockchain technology, the Internet of Things, quantum computing, and many more advances. As the world changes more and more rapidly around us, we wanted to know more about the world of artificial intelligence. What is happening in the world of AI? We wanted to know more about AI and what it might have in store for us in 2021, so we went and did some research. The following video was produced for your enjoyment. These are our artificial intelligence predictions for 2021. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The ideal characteristic of artificial intelligence is its ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. A subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which refers to the concept that computer programs can automatically learn and adapt to new data without being assisted by humans. Deep learning techniques enable this automatic learning through the absorption of huge amounts of unstructured data such as text, images, or video. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of is robots. That's because big-budget films and novels weave stories about human-like machines that wreak havoc on Earth. But nothing could be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks, from the most simple to those that are even more complex. The goals of artificial intelligence include mimicking human cognitive activity. Advances in AI. Researchers and developers in the field are making surprisingly rapid strides in mimicking activities such as learning, reasoning, and perception to the extent that these can be concretely defined. Some believe that innovators may soon be able to develop systems that exceed the capacity of humans to learn or reason out any subject, but others remain skeptical because all cognitive activity is laced with value judgments that are subject to human experience. As technology advances, previous benchmarks that defined artificial intelligence become outdated. For example, machines that calculate basic functions or recognize text through optical character recognition are no longer considered to embody artificial intelligence, since this function is now taken for granted as an inherent computer function. AI is continuously evolving to benefit many different industries. Machines are wired using a cross-disciplinary approach based on mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology, and more. Artificial intelligence predictions for 2021. With AI becoming so important and more accessible, what are the predictions for this year? AI ops is the future. The complexity of IT systems has increased remarkably in the past several years. An AI ops solution allows IT operations and other teams to upgrade the essential processes, tasks, and decision-making through nuanced analysis of the volumes and categories of data coming its way. It was reported that vendors have come up with platform solutions that merge multiple monitoring disciplines like application, infrastructure, and networking. In such circumstances, IT leaders must rely on AI ops providers who can empower cross-team collaboration through data correlation. Such providers also offer end-to-end digital experience and integrate smoothly into IT operations management tools, expanding the remote workforce. The global health situation has brought changes in all of the workforce, and remote workforce is on the top of the list. If we talk about HR tech, it means apps and platforms in 2021 that need to be in continuous innovation to support the sudden shift. In 2021, accurate new algorithms will focus on critical issues like performance assessments, productivity data, and other metrics. To date, these metrics have been nearly impossible to measure in a remote work landscape. Smartly taking advantage of AI tech tools, employers can access global talent without geographical limitations and, at the same time, help remote workers by offering virtual offices and advanced multimedia communication tools. Facial recognition as a dominant AI-based contactless authentication technology. In 2021, enterprises will integrate advanced facial recognition for solid authentication within a range of internal and consumer-centric applications. At the same time, businesses will avoid using the technology to infer identity, gender, race, and other factors that might be sensitive from a bias, privacy, or surveillance standpoint. If businesses incorporate facial recognition in image video auto-tagging, query by image, and other such applications, it'll require extensive review by legal teams. The sensitivity of this technology and the legal potential risks involved will only grow in the foreseeable future. AI and ML will play an important role in driving successful talent acquisition and management. Advanced technology like ML, or machine learning, and AI will help our HR professionals to predict how well a candidate might perform in a certain role. HR professionals can use AI and ML more widely for strategic internal talent management decisions. These technologies can also be used to uncover employees' capabilities that are already within their organization by upskilling their skills to meet business goals. With today's growing remote workforce, AI and ML technologies will help organizations determine how to measure productivity and talent engagement outside of an in-person office environment. AI structures unstructured data. In the coming year, organizations will leverage machine vision and natural language processing, or NLP, to simplify the structuring of unstructured data like images or emails. The objective of it is to process data that robotic process automation, or RPA technology, can use to automate transactional activity in the organization. RPA is said to be the fastest growing area of software adoption, but RPA comes with its set of limitations, states Jared Mason, an SAP assignment help expert. For instance, it can only process structured data. Using AI to accomplish the complex task of deciphering unstructured data and then offer a defined output like a consumer's intention will allow RPA to complete the action, increase learning and development of organizations. In 2021, the most important aspect of growing in the market is learning and developing skills. When it comes to attracting and retaining the top talent, career development opportunities are also on the top of the list. In this post-global health situation environment, HR professionals need to ensure that L&D will play a continuing critical role within the organization's culture. With the help of AI, L&D will deliver an excellent strategy in providing value to employees beyond salaries by upscaling them. Employees need the chance to learn, grow, and expand their career opportunities. Edge-based AI will break neural networks down to their essence. In 2021, AI developers will reduce all their models' neural network architectures, hyperparameters, and other features to suit the hardware constraints of edge platforms. AI model compilers are automating the tuning and compression of AI models for efficient execution across multiple edge endpoints. In the near future, we'll witness more AI developers use neural architecture search techniques to look for the most compact, efficient structure of a neural net for a particular task of AI inference. Compressing AI algorithms down to their predictive essence will quicken the movement of most AI workloads to function on the microcontrollers embedded in edge devices. Improved decision-making. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter and faster day by day, but the need for human oversight isn't going away anytime soon. Improvements in AI will transform the human experience like never before, from billing automation to legal documentation. AI has proved itself to be beneficial in the recruitment industry as well. Resume Parser is one such tool that has a set new milestone in the hiring process. It helps recruiters to parse candidates' resumes in a scalable manner that reduces their manual screening process. Now, with advanced technology, HR professionals can easily look for relevant candidates with just a click. The amalgamation of AI and IoT. AI-OT isn't anything new, but we'll finally notice the seamless merger between AI and IoT. The trend has already found its way into the industry and is part of many valuable use cases. Adding AI into the equation will allow AIoT systems to take actions, carry out tasks, and learn automatically based on the data without human involvement, like in redirecting traffic, locking doors, turning off lights, etc. AIoT will also have a prominent presence in smart buildings, cities, and retail environments where data will be leveraged to provide optimum security, enhance sustainability practices, smooth customer experience, real-time offer optimization, etc. It'll undoubtedly influence almost every industry vertical, including aviation, automotive, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, and supply chain. Improves candidate experience. Technology advancements are popping up every minute. In this competitively post-global health situation environment, HR professionals can have a cost-effective business by adopting new emerging technologies. The need to collect, sort, and analyze humongous applicants' information can be fulfilled only through automation. One of the best creations of AI to improve candidate experience is chatbots. It has taken away most of the recruiter's burden by screening candidates, asking them relevant questions, and quickly answering their queries. Chatbots have sped up the recruitment process and delivered a positive candidate experience through prompt replies. We have already witnessed that these technologies technologies have dramatically scaled in 2020, and we expect that it will accelerate further in 2021. With digital transformations, recruiters would surely want to explore the benefits of automation for better efficiency and productivity. Emphasis on the total of AI ownership. Until some years ago, only the distinguished companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook could develop AI-based solutions. Today, technology has become more accessible to the vast majority of organizations. The number of artificial intelligence-based solutions and projects powered by machine learning is growing exponentially. This has resulted in the development of various and affordable ML frameworks and libraries. Intrigued by the promises and perks of investing in AI, businesses are eager to implement artificial intelligence technologies to automate their operations. More recently, the focus of different organizations has shifted from only seeing the benefits to the cost in total to develop and maintain an advanced AI solution. And that's the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave a comment regarding AI. What do you think about the future of AI? Remember to come back for more, and until next time, stay safe.